Hello and welcome. We are in Google Sheets, and specifically inside of Sheets, we're in the template gallery. And we're going to take one of their templates and we're going to morph it into something that we need. In my case, as I'm getting ready for a new semester, I'm going to set this up like it's my lesson plan. So in front of me, physically, I have the bell schedule, so I know the times. I know my first day of school, and I know that I need to be able to get this organized. I teach 3 sections of the same thing, and then 1 section of this and 1 section of that and 1 section of something else, and I've got a planning period, and I've got meetings I've got to go to, and I've got games I got to work, and I've got publication staff I've got to keep circling and taking pictures of things. So I need lots of spaces. I need something that will grow with me, and I'm betting I'm not alone. So as you look through the template gallery, you'll see educational looking information, connected sheets, personal, work, purchase orders, analytics, dashboard, project management, if you're into project tracking and event marketing timelines and all of those kinds of features. There's all kinds of stuff in here. If you haven't looked at the template gallery, please, there's my plug. Go look at the template gallery. We're going to use this schedule, and we're going to start with it, and then we're going to morph it into what we need it to be. So you're going to select that. It's thinking, it'll open it up. So here's what we're going to start with. Now, I'm going to make some changes to it because I don't need every half-hour slot. I need very specific bell schedule stuff. I don't need all of these notes maybe down here, but I can. And I'm going to do all the things that I need to do to this very first one. The first thing I'm going to do is go down here, and I'm going to rename this one because this is the master. And I don't want to accidentally start typing my lesson plans for the first week of school on it, because I need to be able to make a copy of this one for the next week and the next week and the next week and the next week. That's after I get it all color-coded and time-slotted and beautiful, okay? I could also go in and change the date right here. When you click on that cell, you will see up here in your box where it is that that's going to start. We're starting on the 16th. 2021. And it knows, nope, not this. It'll know what day that is. It's not the 9th month, it's going to be the 8th month. It's August, like words, but there it is. So you get the idea. When you change that cell in any of these sheets, it's going to automatically change the date and the day of the week so that you know. So if you like Sunday through Saturday listed that way, you can start, you'll put in Sunday's date up here. For school stuff, I really like to have Monday as the first day of my week, and then Saturday and Sunday I can plan out which days I'm going to grade which assignments or what games I have to go to, or how the house cleaning is all going to cycle and work. But that's the first couple of steps. Rename this. Notice too down here, we'll copy it, we'll duplicate it, we can change colors, we can protect it, we can move things around. Once we have multiple sheets and you're done with that week, I'll show you how to hide a sheet. And I can show you that in examples of stuff from last semester when I did this. First step, rename this something so that you don't accidentally type on it, and change the date. That's going to get all of these things together. You can also change this. I'm not going to call this daily schedule. I'm going to call this lesson plans. And this is going to be fall of 2021 because I'm going to be able to find them again. And you want to get fancier and change the fonts and you can do all kinds of stuff. But the first steps, let's get the content right. In the next step, we're going to change the times and the colors of the lines. So start with your information, get the date right, rename it. Rename this as well. Anything you can do to help you find this again later. So those are the first steps. Next up, we're going to change the time slots.